Let their defenses depart from them. Let what is meant to be an advantage unto them become a disadvantage.
Obampaya enurumi, obampaya boni a mama nchen because me ni boni antimi masa obi onu di boni be bompaya tia me Abronye be yi because wo bompaya tia mu ebiebie ohwini mu se emra bro boni a wadi wasase so ha no.
Let their honors turn into dishonor, and let their favors turn into disfavor.
Ati umpaye no ne umpaye ne o cases ni nyina no eba me dane no onyame oja oba ene susunkunkundi mu onyina wo bone nyina waye so emfa ntwea wo ka wo wadi bone to ni right bi asa oba bompaye e dia case obi.
People lie, they lie, and if that is what I believe, I can come out publicly and say it. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you and your party.
Said you no catch on so me Abronye. Me so Duncan Williams. Adia would the MPP you think say I will forgive you because you don't like MPP. Duncan Williams, you dislike MPP.
Have you conquered cancer before? That you are bluffing people who are survivors in life. Do la casalatasa.
Nana yes son so cathedral ho owie on the give fake information. Duncan Williams and a give false information. A command and this for say Abino has spent $58 million. A trap.
Aman sulung divalan kihan sulahana wahasalin dikatun. Interpret it 72 hours. Interpret it, then you will know the difference.
Nia wabompa ye bone biara so atia me ho sui na sa nipa kro waja ne bone ho no say o ma 72 hours awrade wa onim se sa nipa kro no bone so de wadi bi pa na momodu dini na kata to say otimi bompa ye ese obi 72 hours wo mrekwa omo akokoda wo mrekwa omo nipa da awrade ma utumi nya duma awrade ma onsekire ni nadi awrade ma ne hunse uyo onyame a utumi ade nyina na nye nipa da sani na kita nipa nkwa onyame a utumi ade nyina ye awrade empaye bone bi obi abobiara me bone adane sanse onipa da sani entimi mo akokọ onipa da sani entimi mo akotre nanto onipa da sani entimi kase o ma nipa 72 hours se nipa no free asase so awrade ma tomi nadi sa nipa kro no ma ne bone ni nachi
Hello, Abushanfo, ladies and gentlemen. I want to believe, by the grace of Jesus Christ, everybody is doing well. I bring you greetings from Canada. Video yamide bremu are very important because I have been making series of videos about Abronye DC's attacks and rants against the Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams. And on my YouTube, a lot of videos about that. So I had this thumbnail, a video about na Abronye the Archbishop. This thumbnail so Archbishop ne response or the buyer to near Abronye ekekafano hono. Now this thumbnail so a video and also Abronye essay ebabedi the Archbishop Duncan Williams atem. Ninyina on YouTube. So when you check my YouTube and you check these thumbnails, you will be able to find those videos. It will help you to know that this is a series and this is coming from somewhere. So that be able to fully understand and comprehend what I'm trying to communicate. Now, Sir Abronye, he has been attacking Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams for no reason. He doesn't provide evidence. All that he does is smear and sort of try to denigrate the reputation of the Archbishop. He hasn't provided a single evidence yet that there be also the Archbishop attempt in the name of politics. Now, I say this guy doesn't insult Muslims. He doesn't insult other religious heads or other religious figures. The only people they insult the Christians. It has become very sad. Say NPP party and the party for intellectuals, the party for great minds, great people, great brains, and it has become a party of nobodies. Obi asabe na adwene mu acquire party for brainless people among for omadwene mu na sebe nyansa nhyeda ne omutirim omuna te say NPP party no omuna lady eno nti no mo yenkotie nia Archbishop kan eno nti ama Abronye asan ababa responding no na oba be didi natem this video no nti no mo yenkotie nia Archbishop kan.
Who do you think you are?
Who born dog? Duncan Williams, who are you?
You're just a beginner. How long have you lived? How many battles have you fought? How many incurable diseases have you conquered?
You probably man ahead the Christian community and nipa unqualified. All pastors every cry Ghana have qualified, but Duncan Williams doesn't qualify. It's a fact.
Have you conquered cancer before? That you are bluffing people who are survivors in life. Masanta Kunda Salan within 72 hours. Dula Isala Aman Sulum Divalan Kihan Sulahana Wahasalin Dikatum. Interpreted.
Woman so Musron wo kromano. Men there they should count me out to say Duncan Williams means running net means run or chna.
Then you will know the difference. You know the difference. That's all I'll say. Let their defenses depart from them. Let what is meant to be an advantage unto them become a disadvantage. Let their honors turn into dishonor, and let their favors turn into disfavor. Yea, let their access turn into scandal. Masalan, Kusan, Feli, Atunda, Kansulan. Let the table that favors them become a snare unto them. Let their defenses depart. Let them be disinherited by another, and let another take their office. Let them err at unawares. Let them err at unawares.
Menim by Baptist church for nkwankwaku because omunya mehwe. Menim Pentecost for nkwankwaku because Pentecost for nya mehwe. Menim Yehowa for nkwankwaku because Yehowa for nya mehwe. I am talking about Duncan Williams as in person say ne ni ya oyo okroma no. Niama boni as say kachire no say da bia no ne nyame dwuma no odi nyame akata na ni no odi sika ti eye niama fon.
Don't ask me who has offended him. Nobody has offended me. I've just been watching over the years, and I go on the internet, social media, people lie.
Peja Bible chire wiemu say sa for 25 now do amukoya o kaso. Other churches in the omo small enti omo kasa Ghana ha obi antie ba omo no tie ne omo ka na omo so dia ma omo church members no Peja Bible chire wiem na ka chire Nyankopon say after the meeting no one massa asofofo no $10,000 ya na Peja Bible for chire wiem.
They lie. Somebody had the audacity to lie and to say that I gathered 25 bishops, gave them $10,000 each to pray for President Mahama to go another term. You think I'm a kid?
So Abushan for senior Motiano, Abronye DC can say Archbishop Aqua Jessica and I say Archbishop Achesika $10,000 Eddie Ahmad bishops 25 bishops said he's trying to influence them, say Omunko influencing their churches, and I say all the Christians across Ghana. Said His Excellency President John Mahama ebitimako another term, me find the second term. Now, on said the constitution doesn't allow that. If that can happen, it means the constitution has to be changed. Now, there is no evidence to this. The Archbishop hasn't done anything like that, and yet Abronye doesn't provide a single evidence for what he says and the accusations he levels against the Archbishop. He doesn't provide any evidence. And until Archbishop bekan we, and Abronye says still on here, and then he will come back in this video where and only response Abronye he is trying to counter the Archbishop. Just say Archbishop Abompire intino no so Abompire ni bi ediatia Archbishop intino mo enko tie ni Abronye eka and then I will conclude after that.
No bi won na brabo nkoso a onim nyentie o onim nyentie ya bone entimi no wote uba bi na se wo no wayi ya oniema bone bi ni ekoka obo empire enuru me obo empire bone a emma me nchen because me ni bone antimi masa obi onu di bone be bo empire atia me ma Abronye be yi because wo bomb paye tientiamu ebiebie ohwinimu se emra bro boni a wadi wasase so ha no boni a wadie no ati wo mpaye no ne wo mpaye ne wo cases ni nyina no eba emidane ne wonyame agya oba ene susunkunkundi mu onyina wo boni nyina waye so emfa ntwea wo ka nyame mfa nchawda kwa wadi boni ntu ni right bi asa obabɔ mpaye e di akese obi nanu 2024 ya da sorry ya an cathedral isu andi sini a oye sofo andi sini mapa a oye sofo Duncan Williams ene nanado ene planning cathedral no Duncan Williams papa no ye CPP propaganda secretary e wa Asante region Duncan Williams papa mumisa no se meboa ne papa eye CPP propaganda secretary awo CPP Kwame Nkrumah penso Duncan Williams ne papa eye CPP propaganda secretary no so de Duncan Williams akire no mo ye ni DC tete Kwame Nkrumah DC ni bi enti Duncan Williams ye NDC ni eno di apo boni ehihye ya wie ye cathedral no one na nado na dwene ho sana adwen papa ntare ho omo dwene ho bibia wie ye no ana oni NDC fo no kwahye game mo nkoka se o ma disika mo kasa wi me resign we are they are finished because at the end cathedral na start here no Duncan William kan ho bi ana cathedral na start here Duncan William kan no obebo aba na baso enti oni NDC fo akekere propaganda about the cathedral no oye na oni NDC planning yese obe resign Sebeya NDC message no ebekọ ne sa pepepe ebekọ ne sa just to disgrace MPP Duncan Williams na MPP for motete kroma mo sure muntimi kana asem said you no ka so onsuo me ma Abronye no me nsuo Duncan Williams mo ka kire no ono so onsuo me ma Abronye na me de me misro wo si onsuo me ma Abronye na me de me misro adia wo de ye MPP you think say I will forgive you MPP for na sro me misro say wo pia MPP sana dem papa ni akire wo plane cathedral yem famra eduru babi wieye NDC bedi tro say ye $58 million and nanado dia ye cathedral no instead of you enye NDC sam na ye ode any MPP anim na wo mpentwe because you don't like MPP Duncan Williams you dislike MPP I will be anim from PNDC days nyina ebesi say yeti MPP nyina no wo Duncan Williams wo pe party a wo dislike here MPP but you always pretend when MPP is in government na no wo ya no ko pia MPP to them na ne yeso so no so cathedral ho o wie ya on the fake information Duncan Williams and the false information ekoma and this for say Abino are spending $58 million. Tro. Some information na Duncan Williams they command and this for say woman can wo media station, the TV station and everywhere. Woman need trust Abino spending $58 million no na this kano. And they the Lord international acclaimed financial audit firm me amanya hodo a matravel akọ bia ni wa obekọ a the Lord nyere eni international acclaimed financial audit firm and this baye no ma ye kude komo de kwa kom nanka report no baye a nanka o magina so oh Reverend Kusibu atenkura de say di kankan ye wo position say o ye kromfo wadi cathedral sika ye Ghana fo bo say ye beche no a poor bofa Reverend Kusibuati Wunyina any other members of the cathedral mufi say South of no MPP for and now turn to Duncan Williams propaganda or the command NDC. Say $58 million no almost spend here. No more year press conference. Attack Apostle Onyina. One more year press conference. Attack Reverend Kusi Boateng. Emma okuja to Abrakwa for 2 years. Na every day bia no okuja to Abrakwa. Attack Apostle Onyina for 2 years. No okuja to Abrakwa. Attack Reverend Kusi Boateng. So ma diska and ne Deloitte. At the report na kwa President Mahama say, "Womo twa nkrata mu no, asofofo na omo kɔ cathedral board no so, enkrofo a yebo mu dini Kenoforata na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo, and all those who matters. Who was some painful with the cathedral so musu omo disika. Ni nya propaganda person obi ane papa ye CPP propaganda secretary na kire ye man DC no aba abonteni NDC fo akoye one say omo disika no wato atum say monko tuntum mututum ria hit ni kwatro na Ghana fo adi atuma me heda resign ampa NDC static cathedral propaganda no ye disika na Ose ma resign, no resign ye. Owie na NDC so mu, and Duncan Williams ma resign every cathedral no because he kadi ayede akoso. And na report na ba say all the cathedral ni nyina omo ye Kenoforata ye free. Reverend ayi Apostle Onyina eni sika Kusi Reverend Kusi Boateng krade NDC fo nyana won betinity. Enti NDC tnase ehun say Reverend Kusi Boateng predictions there eye adwuma enti omo de to omo so say omo de ye project say religious leader bia wo be line no ho with MPP bia no omo communicators no eni dinatam benkum ne nimfa etwina boso wo ye kromfuo wo ye say ene Reverend Kusi Boateng Kenoforata eni Reverend Dr. Dwese ayenom ni wabɔ mpa ye bɔne biara so atia me ho sui na sa nipa kro wagya ne bɔne ho no say o ma 72 hours awurade wa onim se sa nipa kro no bɔne so de wadi bi pa na momodu dini na ekata so say otimi mbɔ mpa ye ese obi 72 hours wo mreko a omo akokoda wo mreko a omo nipa da awurade ma utumi nya dwuma awurade ma unsa kire ni nadi awurade ma ne hunse wo yo nyame a utumi ade nyina na nye nipa da sani na kita nipa nkwa onyame a utumi ade nyina ye awurade empa ye bɔne bi obi abo biara me bɔne adanye sanse nipa da sani entimi mo akokɔ nipa da sani entimi mo akotre nanto nipa da sani entimi kase o ma nipa 72 hours se nipa no free asase so awurade ma tomi nadi sa nipa kro no ma ne bɔne ni nachi awurade o sakra da ma ne nyankwa so ansakra emfiri ni bɔne ho dia awurade ma ne bɔne no emfa ne nkɔ wuo wene ma desrade wo nyame ogya oba eni sunsun kunkun di munti amen.
So abusafo on say ohwe the way na abrantie a akora ketekete a mefa say unya nyini unya nuru baabia na otimi didi papa panimu atem go and watch those videos na me the thumbnails no eba no go and watch those videos. You will fully appreciate what I'm saying. Abrantie itimi didi Archbishop atem obi a sebe ne sekro wo no ebi kwa ne level enru Archbishop utimi didi Archbishop atem ojani papa to ho itimi didi Archbishop atem in the name of politics. Now sometimes ya na amanfo bi a sebe o madwini mu ha omutimi ka say religion will bring about bloodshed, and I say religion will cause people to kill themselves in this country. You see, they don't know what they are talking about. Yes, religion can cause bloodshed, but what can cause bloodshed in this country are your politics. The way we do our politics is so bad. Say, if somebody disagrees with you, he sees you as an enemy. He sees you as an animal, and they treat you not with dignity. They treat you as though you are an animal. They say, impose Archbishop, NDC near. What is wrong with that? Also, your NPP near. What is wrong with that? Why don't you take your NPP-ness and let somebody take his NDC-ness? What is wrong with that? Why do you have to come and attack him and come and insult him and come and denigrate his reputation and credibility on the internet? Why do you have to do that? These are all some of the things. Now we all have to speak up. You see, the Archbishop doesn't have to be your pastor before you can defend him. I am an Assemblies of God person, but I have common sense and I fear God. I can't sit down and let somebody disrespect a dignitary such as Archbishop Duncan Williams over politics, and I say over differences in opinion. Okay, or say or support NPP, next will be say ABA he will not follow you to support NPP. What is wrong with that? And the Archbishop Krampono, he's not NDC, he's not NPP. The Archbishop is a statesman. Okay, the Archbishop doesn't support any political party. The Archbishop is a statesman. He is there to pray for both NPP and NDC, and he is there for the love of the country. Enti ada na yenhunu no na yantie no ase na da bia sorry ye didi empanifo atemsa. That is very, very bad. So these are some of the things now. If you're a Christian, save some of these videos and also subscribe to my channel and follow me, because we have to keep some of these records, because in future no we are going to reference it. Yentimi ntena ho for any day like our leaders attempt. If you're a Christian, you have to stand up. Say near Oye Senka Chief Imam and Odidi Natama. Muslims all across Ghana would have stood up to defend the Chief Imam. Other than young Christians there, we don't say anything. We only look on and watch on. That is very bad. We must start to defend our own. We must defend our tribe. If we don't do that, who is going to do it for us? So this is what I want to say. If today is your first time coming on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment. That means baby and free. I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much. Bye.